Hello, my name is Namata Brenda, and in this video I'm going to show how to terminate Ethernet cables. And these are the tools: the crimping tool, the Ethernet cables, the RJ connectors, and the cable tester. I'm going to show both the straight through and the crossover cables. So I start by cutting my cable. So after cutting the wire, I have to separate the wires properly. So we are starting with the straight through cable. My first colors are white, green and green, white, brown and blue, and white, blue and orange, and then white. After arranging them, we cut them to make them straight and cut them to the same level. After cutting them on the same level, we connect it in the RJ4. Then we put the wires in the RJ4, as you can see. Then we have to make them sit in using the clipping tool. We connect. Now we place it in the clipping tool so that we press in there and press, as you can see. Now it's all set in, as you can see. Now we can do the same thing that we did on this other side to this side. Now we are going to test into the RJ, into the tester. So we place in, as you can see. Also the other side, and then we turn it on. As you can see, if it's not well connected, it doesn't light. It shows the levels are also lighting. I hope you can see that this side. Yeah. As we did in the first procedure, we cut off the cable and we didn't affect the wires, and dismantle them to arrange them into colors that we're going to do now. This is the crossover. We are starting with white, green, and then green, and then white, orange with blue, and then blue, white, blue with orange, and then white, brown with brown. We straighten them and then cut them on the same level as we did in the first procedure as well. After cutting, we put them in the RJ connector, and then we immerse it in. You can see after putting in the RJ and how everything is lined. Come closer. I hope you can see that. Now we are going to test it in our cable tester. That is there. And that is here. And then we turn it on. As you can see. Yes, and that was perfectly connected. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, comment. Yeah. Bye.